Oh shit. I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Bro, what? Okay, I'm just gonna sit. Be like a rep every 10 seconds. Dude, I lost everything. Jump in the showers. Nice. Pick up the pace? Fuck you, man. When I become an absolute unit, I'm beating the fuck out of you first, Officer Max. What a stupid name. Who names themselves Max? That's like a dog slime. Fuck you, slime. I'm taking your dental floss. Shit! No! No! Run! Fuck, he saw me. Have it. Is he still chasing me? Alright, I'm a new man. I'm gonna go back for my dental floss. Yoink. Oh, okay. Did I... The warden. Hello, warden. There's hope yet. Okay. I'll sit alone, guys. That's fine. I'll sit over here. I need slime laid out on the floor. Say less. Ace? Oh, fuck. I can't take on any more favors. I gotta beat up slime. Beat up Nightbot. And find a watch. Already looted Duggery. Go beat up cops, you're kinda weak. Hey! Look at this. Wait, have I gotten dumber over time? Okay, so here's the plan. Here's the plan for the evening, boys. Watch this. What is this? Payphone? I'm at a payphone trying. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna... Okay, so... I don't even have it! Oh no. Wait, I need a pillow. Get away from that cell. Shut up, bitch. No, I need more smarts. Shit, fuck. I'm too stupid. Read a book. Browse the internet. Wait, are you kidding? Okay, never mind. You are kidding. So we put a body dummy in. We're gonna hide. I'm gonna do it as soon as... What if I leave the night recap a little early? I don't need dental floss. Did I beat the fuck out of somebody? Let's do it. Let's find somebody. Who am I supposed to beat up? Beat up Nightbot. Where is he? Where's that bitch? Danny? Tempting. Oh, I need to beat up slime. Get over here. I'm kidding. He took my... I don't get it. I don't understand. Dude's fucking me up. Like, I don't get it. He was doing 6 damage. Oh, he probably had a weapon. Evening roll call. Okay, here's the plan. Here's the plan. Watch this. I'm gonna go to my cell. Wait, which cell's mine? Wait, chat, boys. I forgot what cell. I forgot what cell mine is. Oh no. I forgot what cell mine is. Someone flushed the warden's hat down the toilet. No! Fuck! 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 Okay, we'll do it next. We'll do it tomorrow. Damn it! Damn it! I thought. Oh. Okay. We'll do it tomorrow. Do it tomorrow, boys. Hey, you know what? No, get the fuck out of bed. Stop stealing the bed sheets and pillows. Where's Nightbot? Fuck you. Alright, I'm sorry. Steel fork, we gotta break out. Yeah, we gotta. Wait. Oh, get fucked. Yoink. Wait, I won. Yo, Chad, I did it. You're kind of a jackass? Wait, hold on. Oh, that didn't count. Wait, which one did I get? Two? Fuck, where is he? Okay. He'll be on the ground. He'll be there. You make tools? Okay. Hold on, there's another dead body on the ground. I'm gonna grab it. Yes. I'm going, motherfucker. Chill. Golly. I had to go see if my boy was okay. Glass shard as a weapon is crazy. Over for you, Raphael and Max. Oh, Max, that bitch.